In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Gemini's new features that are absolutely mind-blowing, especially for those of you who are beginners. We're diving into Google Gemini's Write feature, and trust me, it's an easy and exciting guide. So, let's get started. First things first, let's open up your favorite web browser. Once you're in, head over to Google. This is our starting point to access all the new things Gemini has to offer. If you're not sure how to get there, simply type google.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Now that you're on the Google homepage, there's a little bit of fun we're about to have with the search bar. Here, type Google Gemini and press enter. This search will bring up a list of links related to Gemini, Google's impressive suite of productivity tools. What you're looking for is the official Google Gemini website link. When you see it in the search results, give it a click. This will bring you directly to the Gemini interface. You're now entering a world packed with cutting-edge features designed to simplify and enhance your productivity. From here, it's quite straightforward. Look for the Write option. It's one of Gemini's standout features, crafted for those who want to streamline writing tasks or need a little creativity boost. Go ahead and click on Write. Once you've clicked Write, you're going to see multiple options tailored for different writing tasks. This is where Google Gemini shines by offering versatility and support for numerous activities. For today's demonstration, let's have a bit of fun and choose Write a shopping list for Taco Tuesday. Just imagine, in moments, Gemini will generate a detailed shopping list that has everything you need to whip up a delicious taco feast. With just a few clicks, you've accessed a brand new feature within Gemini, showcasing the power of artificial intelligence in simplifying everyday activities. Remember, this Write function is only scratching the surface of what Google Gemini can do. You've not just opened a tool for making lists, but a suite that can transform many other aspects of your workflow. Whether you're planning meals, organizing daily tasks, or drafting a letter, Gemini's got you covered. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're as excited as I am about harnessing the capabilities of Google Gemini. Be sure to explore further, as there are countless ways Gemini can assist you with its other innovative features. Thanks for joining me, and happy exploring with Google Gemini.